In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add Canva design to Elementor. So in order to do that, what you can do is you first need to head over to elementor.com. Make sure that you have an account. You can either click onto this get started or click onto this login. So let's host Elementor using our WordPress. So on your WordPress, just head over and log in or click onto this get started option that we can see right here. So from in there, you can just log into your account. Since on my case, I already have an account, let me head over and click onto this login. And this is what it looks like right now. This is my dashboard. Let's head over and click onto this edit site. And from in there, you can see in here my website and I can head over and then just edit it how I see fit. So in here, you can see that this site is actually not made on Elementor. So what you can do is you can head over and then choose in here the actual site or the actual page that is made by Elementor as well. So in this part, you can actually head over and add in here some things. If you want to embed that particular Canva design, you can scroll down right here and look for HTML, or you can also head over and search for that widget right there. So let's head over and add it and drag and drop it right around here above. And you should be able to see in here the code for that. It's asking you right now for the code, so let's open right here our actual Canva design. Here is my Canva design. So what you can do is you can head over and then just click onto the share option that should be able to appear right here. From in there, you can see these options. You can actually download it as an image and have it previewed on your Elementor, or you can also click on the see all, click on this embed, and then from in there, just click onto this embed option, copy this HTML, and then head over back to your Elementor. Just paste in here the code, and after that, you should be able to see in here your Canva design. Do take note that it may take some time to load, but once it's done, you should be able to see it right here all together with also next page or arrows. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.